If you were partly at fault for your injury while working at a construction site, you may still be able to recover against the property owner or the general contractor. The law in New York imposes a very strict burden on property owners, on general contractors to keep construction workers safe from risks associated with elevated workplaces. So that means that the construction worker should be protected from falling, or the construction worker should be protected from falling objects. The law imposes in some situations strict liability against the property owner or the general contractor. And strict liability means that even if you are partly at fault, the general contractor or the property owner must maintain 100% liability if they fail to provide you with adequate safety devices. Now, there are some situations where strict liability doesn't apply. So if, for example, the construction worker fails to utilize safety equipment that was supplied to him or her, if that happens, then there can be an offset with comparative negligence. So if the construction worker failed to attach their harness to a scaffold or to a fixed object, but the scaffold itself wasn't safe, then the contractor or the property owner should share in some level of liability.